Hi, I'd like to create a video review for week number 13 assignment. And this is the week 13 assignment. And I also create hotel MySQL. You can open it, copy and paste, either to using this is a workbench, MySQL workbench, or to MySQL, MyWebSQL. And this is go through the link vmccgisqni.com/down/web MySQL. And then type in your user and password. I like to restart everything and then show you how it works so that you have understanding the whole process if you are using web. So you can use either one. In other video using workbench, and this video I'm going to use my web. Okay. Alright, so here you are going to type in vmccgisqni.com/down/web MySQL. Hit enter. You should come up here. Says log in the user ID. I use Shirley or Danwei. I mean, you can try whatever the account, password, and user ID you assigned. Then you click login. Then you can log into the account. And if you are using first time, you didn't create the database, you can download it MySQL. This file allows you to create. You can copy. Double click hotel _ MySQL. You select them all and hit and then edit, copy, and then go to my WebSQL. You put into here, right? You put into here, and then you are able to. Then you click query all. Then you will create all the tables, including the room table. I guess a couple of tables you already created: the hotel table, the booking table, guest table, and room table. Okay, so you click the query all. So I'm going to, because this account has been created already, so I'm going to close it. But this time I want to write the answer. So this is the tables for hotel, including rooms, bookings, guests. And the first question here says list full details of all hotels. Now go back to the web. Say you are going to select all detail. You can use store to indicate all detail. Now you look at the website. There is a how to write SQL. This select statement is to retrieve information about a table or a database. So you click relational key and select statement, scrolling down. And here I'll show you the basic select statement, how you can retrieve data from database tables. And asterisk star abbreviation for all columns. So come back here, I want to select everything, all the details about the all hotel. So what you should do is just select star, and then you want to say from the hotel, so it is just type in hotel. So this allows you to select star, means all the columns from hotel. You click right click queries. I think you can type in one line in this case, or you can click query all. On this hotel doesn't contains any information. Next you do. So let me just try it again. Put in one line, click query, and let's select all the queries. So you only can put one line in this case because different editor, different process. So select star from hotel, you click query, and then so for instance at the beginning, I'm going to erase everything now. I'm going to delete. See how they can delete. As a matter of fact, actually, I don't don't use this. This is first time because some of you have problem with Workbench. So I just create for this semester. All right. So then, so this is all the detail of hotel. This is all the detail for hotel information. So I got to click it, clean out. I really don't know. I don't use this often. Data for bookings. Let's say it's branch. Client. So if you run this query, this is for hotel. Actually, my screen shows client. If you click queries, and it becomes hotel. So this is all the information about hotels. Now, so this is called select space store. Is all the columns. Store indicates all the columns from hotel. So let's look at the second question. Second question says full detail of all hotel in London. So you are interested in the hotel in London. London is all the hotels in London. And London is a city, so what you should do is come here, select star from hotel. So you got to put some criteria. So you got to use where. Where is the way to select set the condition. Where city equals London, that will be single quote London. And so where is a condition. Where city equals, you want to select hotel, the city is from the London. Click, and actually it says there is no city in the line. We don't have city. Let's double check it. So the chances in MySQL for describe a literal string use single quote. So select star from hotel where city equals double quote. I use double quote, but Oracle you can use single quote. And then I run it, and then it select. If I run it, then it actually doesn't find any because my database doesn't have this one. So it's fine. We couldn't find any. Let's go back here. And the next question says select list the name and addresses of all guests living in London, alphabetic order by name. Okay, so it's actually guest. So you're looking for the guest live in London, but there is no city. But city London is part of the guest address. So you can say as long as it contains London as the substring, then you want to select it. So what you want to do here is, again, you can type in select. You want to list out for detail. So actually it's start again from guest, where the condition is the guest address. So the guest address, but you are looking for partial information, a pattern, so you can use pattern. So if you look at here, using the pattern, you can see there is an example using the pattern. The pattern is the pattern find owner, the substring has the address with substring Glasgow. So then you got to say where address like. The pattern is percent indicate one or many characters. So before Glasgow you have 1, 0 or many characters. After Glasgow you can have many 0 or many characters. That means that Glasgow is a substring. So I come down here. I can do the same way. Address equal. I can put the percent mapping to 0 or many characters, but inside contains London, and then after London you have many or more characters. But you can't use equal because this is talking about like. It's a similarity using the pattern. So you cannot use equal. If you can use like. You do this. You select it. See whether you can find anyone. But actually, if you look at the database we have, we don't have any of the guests who live in London. So it's fine. Means you couldn't find anyone. But, however, you submit SQL to the blackboard. because the question says to submit the SQL statement. You don't need to give me how many hotels or who is the guest. I just want to know the SQL statement, then you will get the credit. Okay. Now, the second one is, the third one is, and they've been learned alphabetic by name. So alphabetic sorting, and you can see that there are some way you can sort it. So it's order by is to sort the data when you display it. And the question said order by name, so you can just say it here. You can say order by name, and you run it. Of course, we can find order by, what is it? Order by name. I guess must be guest name. So you're going to do this order by guest name. Run it. I don't think you will get anyone, but this is the SQL. I need to know the SQL. That's what you should submit. Okay. Last one, list all double or primary rooms. The rooms is indicated by, this is for room. Room is double or family. And then it says double family with the price below 40. Actually, I don't have any price below 40, so I can run it, but I may not select any of the data that satisfy this condition. You can say I can run it, select what I'm going to select it. Well, I'll select the room field. It will be room number, hotel number, type, and price. Room number, hotel number, price. From the room where type equals family. Here is very tricky. You got to say or type equals double. The tricky thing is you got to spell out type again. So if you cannot just say type equals to family or double. You got to repeat type again. Run it. I told you that again here type equals family. Yes, you can find type equals this, but we have another condition says price has to be less than $40. So you're going to make a parenthesis. See, this is a condition that selects everything. But another necessary condition, so you got to say and price less than 40. So if this is the condition, you can see you won't find anyone, right? But if you say price less than 150, and probably you can find some. This is less than 100. So this is SQL. And this is the result. So I just show you what you can do. All right, and I will keep posting more review video. All right, thank you.